Master Teacher Virgo checking in once again, and this is insole and outer soul. So I came to the conclusion that we have two types of souls. A good example would be a shoe or sneaker, which contains an outer soul, but also an inner soul or insole. The purpose of this is to give your foot more space from the ground or create separation, aka a disconnect. Now I want to bring it back to this human body we have in this reality. So I have known that the body is a soul for a long time, but what I just came to the realization of is that our body that we see in the mirror is a outer soul, but our blood is actually a soul as well, but it's a insole or inner soul. It's a containment for energy, just like the outer body is a container for energy as well as other souls. Yes, we have more than one soul, but the blood is actually an inner soul for energy that's only important in a outer soul. So blood carries the energies that are labeled water, salt, and proteins, which makes up the plasma, which makes up the liquid form of the blood. Because blood is broken down in two parts in humans, liquid and solid. The solid form is made up of red and white blood cells. I'm almost willing to assume that what's labeled as these cells are also energies. But because it's considered solid, it's possible it's actually a insole and a insole and a soul. But I'm not sure. But I will say is a outer soul and inner soul are both bodies for energy to hold or contain, but also separate two energies. But what I've recently came to the overstanding or understanding is that a soul is also a filter that determines what you can see and what you can't, what can see you and what can't. But instead of it being something that's cleaning your cup, it's actually making it more cloudy or even dirty. And this is MTV. Checking in, checking out. Peace. Gone.